It's another record profit for an oil giant. BP has announced a profit of $28 billion for 2022. That's over double what it made the previous year. The British energy major also announced it would spend $2.75 billion to buy back some of its shares off the stock market and increase its payout to shareholders by 10%. Energy companies like BP have benefited from soaring oil and gas prices, triggered by Russia's invasion of Ukraine. And it's hit consumers hard, prompting UK ministers to introduce a windfall tax on UK oil and gas profits. But with households continuing to struggle with soaring bills, many are calling for energy firms to pay more. BP's results are the latest in a series of record-setting profits by the world's biggest energy companies, including ExxonMobil, Chevron and Shell. The announcements have fueled outrage amongst environmental activists. Greenpeace has been staging protests. On Tuesday, activists boarded a vessel that's taking an oil and gas platform to a location in the North Sea.
Now, we said to Shell, they must stop continuing with drilling, but they must start taking action and pay the damages that they've already done.
BP was one of the first oil and gas giants to announce an ambition to cut emissions to net zero by 2050. But it's now scaled back on those plans, targeting a 20 to 30% cut in emissions by the end of this decade.